It's got her temporary blocked up here for sure, for now. Had to pull off the front wheels because I'm going to be putting new tires on these. It's kind of weird. These still have factory nubs on them. You can see the tip of the nubs right there. Out of focus. But I don't know what that is. This one has liquid in it and it's green. Am I going to be in for a little bit of a surprise when I go to start switching these over? Could be so rusted up on the middle of that one. Who knows? We'll see. But here's the tires right here. That's going to go on the front of her. Yeah. They're 16 by 6.5 by 8s. So factory size. Nothing too fancy other than the fact that they're made for a snowblower, so they should frickin' steer just a bit. My old Roper diesel, I put on a 18 by 6.5 by 8 set, so these ones were actually sent to me by mistake. So that's why they're finally going to get a use. Was going to put them on that guy there. So the whole point is, once they're on Sears rims, I could switch them out, put them on the diesel if I want. And then maybe those rims will go onto the Bolens, because they do fit. It's just a roll pin setup, so it's a little bit different the way they mount. So not too big of a deal, but yeah. Put these in the cab of the truck. And these will be going on those tomorrow. So maybe tomorrow anyway. Or maybe after work tomorrow. We'll see. Okay, so I just want to check something. Yeah, they don't look that bad. We'll see how rusty they are on the inside, and I'm kind of worried about right there where the valve stem goes through. We'll see. Ew, yuck. Just drained all that water out of this tire. Yeah, that is pretty sick. Oh, I wish you guys could smell how bad that smells. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this rim might be beyond sandblasting. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, just cutting it off the rim. Gonna let it dry out, sandblast it. In worst case, I gotta grab another one. Ugh. Okay, so the other one's sitting to dry. This one here sounds like... I have no clue what that is inside this tire, so as long as it doesn't attack me, we'll find out. Okay. Is it going to jump out and scare me? Oh no, giant eggs. What the frig? Well, that's one way to sandblast and somewhat clean a wheel, so I don't know if that's what they were thinking, but that is full of rocks. A tire full of rocks. Are you freaking kidding me?
It's all redneck.
Yep.
Sand.
Weird.
It's not a rock. It's like a sand. It's like almost like a rust pellet.
Rust pellets, hey? Weird. Huh. Maybe some kind of patching material? Or for leaks? I don't know. Weird. But it stinks. Don't cut yourself, old man.
Yeah, it's like a sand or something. We don't know what that is. That could be chunks of rust, you know? And then you turn around.
You better clean your hands, old man.
Yeah.
Because that rim, who knows how... You never know, hey?
It's weird.
Yeah, that might be... You don't ever know what that is, but it is rusty, whatever it is.
I bet you it got water from a river or mud or something.
Well, I was driving it flat for a while, but... If that helps. The other one was full water, so...
Well, it could be a sand from your place. There's a lot of metal in it.
I don't know. All I know is I think those are going to be pretty thin when they come out of the sandblaster. We'll find out once I get the rest off. Well, this one might have had calcium or something on the inside of it because I got... Or something, because underneath that slime, I got paint. Underneath the bead here, it looks not too bad. So, that other one, it was pretty rough when I got it off. I don't know if I'll be getting a good set of rims out of here, but we'll see. I haven't used this thing in over 5 years, I think. So, yeah, I don't have a light no more in it. I got a very kind of dirty looking glass there, but with a flashlight, I'll be able to see through it fine. Just going to take my flashlight up here. Oh, I thought I could kind of see through it. Might be okay. Maybe I'll just put the whole flashlight inside there. Might work out better. Well, right there's the before, and I guess we're about to find out. I got a little bit of sand left. No idea what's gonna leak, no idea what's living inside those gloves, so I better knock them inside out first and see what happens. Well, definitely not a perfect job, but it's gonna work. Yes, I didn't care about the grease. I'm not worried about that. Don't really care really how they look, not on this tractor, but you can see this one here was the one that had water inside it. And I don't know, it's pretty good. There's still a lot of black stuff in the pores of the metal. I could wash that out. Some of it could be a little bit of light rust right there and stuff, but I'm not too worried about that. She is nice and smooth. I will still take a wire wheel to it, but whatever that is, it's clean enough. Again, I don't want to spend a huge amount of time on it. This is the one that was really, really badly pitted. You can actually see where they joined the two rims together. Yeah, there's some pretty deep ass pits on this one, but I mean right here on the lip where it seals, I don't know, pretty sure that'll be good. It's just going to need a good couple dozen coats of paint. Now I'll probably paint it like 3 coats of paint. So the insides here, they all look good. Yes, I didn't bother removing the bushings. I'm not too worried about that. I can clean them out and they'll be good. There we go. Time for paint. You licking your foot, poo-poo. Alright, there goes the first coat of paint, and yeah, we'll see how much it fills in. This is just a tack coat. I'm just using whatever I had left. So, had that about 5 years now. So it's dry enough to almost put on a second coat. Yeah, that's pretty dry already. I want to get minimum 3 coats on the inside to hopefully help seal it up. Yes, I decided to paint them blue. So, I don't know, the bead that's going to be sealing is going to be pretty decent. I didn't worry too much about painting the sides that everyone sees. I will be repainting that blues just for now. I used industrial paint on it, so we could say, so we'll see how strong that's going to be. You can see a little bit thin in there, but again, I'm not too worried about the way it looks there. All I was worried about is the sealing area. And of course, I put in brand new valve stems. Oh, isn't this a little bit of a change of scenery? Really? A Pepsi can in the middle of the yard? A little bit white. A lot of deer prints, that's for sure. Looks like they've been going everywhere in here. Those are old human prints there. That is definitely deer prints. Well, got a fair bit of work to do today. Starting to wear out. This tent shed a bit finally. It's just on the doors, so a couple holes through it there. But got this all cleaned up. You guys never seen any of that. Just took the exhaust down on this guy. Yeah, I posted the videos about that. Missed all the videos of putting these tires on the rims. So yeah, that's how the tires turned out, so I'll be showing the rest of this. Yes, they're blue, I know. I don't have caps either for the ends of them, but I mean for the where they bolt on, but it works. They're holding air. All the videos I got from last week I lost, so I wonder if this thing will start. Maybe I'll try that on camera. Do you want to try to push out the diesel? Yeah. See if this guy's going to start. Oh, that's a little stiff. Hey, look, the tractor just gave you a blowjob. Will my tires hit or will the shaft hit? This one, eh? It'll be fine. It'll be fine? Okay. Steer it. Want to see how much traction I'm going to get without chains? think that's going to be fine. Fun there, pretty good. Go right outside. Want to see how slippery these tires are going to be. Oh, that's actually pretty decent. Stuff on that. Slippery when it's wet, you can't remember that. I know you didn't have this engaged yet. I want to try to bog this down a little bit. There's no snow even here, but another 6 inches of snow. Fun on the Bolens. Go through the ditch without getting stuck. I don't have chains on here. I've just seen what I got for traction. That's all I'm trying to do. Oh. She just made it. Oh, that thing is the one-wheel peel, that's for sure. Go around the trail with it. Okay, ready? Go. I'm not even on full throttle. That's not even full throttle yet, so no brakes. Oh man, it's blowing snow out of the blower that I'm catching on the side of the road. I really do need to fix the brakes. Oh, it's spinning out. Oh, there's the traction. Woo! That's the traction there. There we go. There, now I'm on full throttle. Well, maybe not yet. Oh man, I keep on getting snow in the blower. Oh. Oh, I blew a little bit there. Don't do that, Logan. You just pushed me with the Bolens. Oh my God, that wind sucks. I'm on idle, by the way. Hey, what are you doing going through there? Went off the trail, man. That's gonna leave a mark. She's having fun on the Bolens. What do you guys think? Just seeing if we need to change this winter. We still might. At least that thing, you just let go of the throttle and it stops. I don't have the blade down. Oh man, my hands are freezing. Well, I guess I can park this guy. The Bolens seems to be pretty decent in snow, so I throw some stuff at the tarp shed here. Okay, rev her down. Oh, man. One way to get wet. I gotta adjust that guy so she stops spinning. Okay, I'm gonna go try her out for a bit. Well, I just went inside to grab, or outside to the tent shed to grab a set of bolt cutters, and I thought for a second that we were going to need to use them here, but no, it decided to take down 1, 2, 3, 4, all this here. Just had a deer jump through the fence and get stuck for a second, but it was able to get itself out real quick. But I'm in Crocs. And I mean, I got a lot of snow in that Croc. And I was going to get bolt cutters to cut a metal grate, you could say, but I was thinking, oh shit, I might need them for something else. But wow. Oh no, it's gone, but man, did it make a hell of a noise when it got stuck in there. See, I thought you were going to get your deer yet, eh?
Don't even have to leave the yard. Self-serve.
Yeah.
DoorDash.
It just, me shining the flashlight, I guess, gave it a shit scare. Interesting. Okay, there's still a deer in here. I just looked at it, ran right into the garden. Those are all deer tracks in front of me. This time I think it hopped out no problem. But let's find out. Oh, I don't see it. Yeah, it must have just jumped right out of here. These are all deer tracks. I am not joking. This is 100% for sure. Pure deer tracks in here. I think I scared it. And I'm using one of the Olight lights right now, so just came out to get some more stuff out of the shed. So my battery's dying. This is the Warrior Mini. Wow.